Apple has proprietary software mechanisms which help you to manage all your digital information across several devices. This guide is all you need to understand about iCloud Keychain security code recovery. Before we get into the technical stuff, let's have a look at the basics. What is iCloud Keychain? iCloud Keychain helps to keep your selected digital information across all your devices using iOS or macOS. It has a security code that gives all of your selected devices authorization to your email, passwords, accounts, etc. As the name suggests, it is similar to a keychain, where the keys represent each of your devices. The security code also helps to recover any information from any outlet using iOS or macOS. What is iCloud Keychain security code? When you want to set up an iCloud keychain, you have to protect it with a code that will be known only to you. It might be a complex code of 6 digits. You can choose to have both alphabets and numbers in your code, or you can have a complex code generated for you by Apple. The security code for your iCloud keychain will give access to any iOS or macOS devices that are exposed to that code. The code is for authorizing different devices and recovering your iCloud keychain if you happen to lose all your connected devices. How to set up iCloud Keychain on iOS or macOS? For iOS, you need to follow some simple steps to set up your iCloud Keychain on your iOS devices with iOS 10.3 or newer versions. 1. Update your device. 2. Go to Settings. 3. Select the name you registered with. 4. Select iCloud. 5. Tap and slide the keychain option to enable iCloud Keychain. 6. Enter the password for your Apple ID. 7. Follow the instructions displayed on the screen to complete your iCloud Keychain setup process. For Mac OS, the following steps are applicable for systems running Mac OS X Mavericks, 10.9, or newer versions. 1. Go to the Apple menu, with the Apple logo. 2. Select System Preferences. 3. Select iCloud. 4. Select Keychain. 5. Enter your registered Apple ID and passcode when prompted. 6. Go through the rest of the process by following the instructions displayed on screen. You can add multiple devices to your keychain. And when you want to add new ones, all your devices already using your iCloud Keychain feature receives a notification. The process also seeks approval for new devices from existing ones. Once approved, the iCloud Keychain starts updating information on your new device. Another way to approve your new devices to use iCloud Keychain is the two-factor authentication method. If you follow this method, no approval will be required from existing devices. How do you get locked out of iCloud Keychain? If you enter the security code incorrectly a certain number of times, then the device will be locked out of the iCloud ecosystem. In addition, the whole keychain will be terminated due to security issues. This is a fail-safe mechanism to keep hackers and robbers away from your personal information. After being locked out, you will see a message which will either tell you to enter the keychain security code from another device, or it will ask you to reset your iCloud keychain completely. Security code incorrectly entered too many times. Approve this iPhone from one of your other devices using iCloud Keychain. If no devices are available, reset your iCloud Keychain. Your iCloud security code has been entered too many times. Approve this Mac from one of your other devices using iCloud Keychain. If no devices are available, reset iCloud Keychain. How to recover your iCloud Keychain security code. Now let's have a look at how to recover the security code in different scenarios. If you have access to a device authorized to share your iCloud Keychain, follow the steps below. Password change for iOS. 1. Go to Settings. 2. Select iCloud. 3. Select Keychain. 4. Select Advanced. 5. Tap on Change Security Code. 6. Enter your Apple identification password when asked for. 7. Enter new iCloud Keychain security code. Password change for Mac OS. For Mac users, the keychain function can only be accessed through OS X Yosemite or any newer version of Mac OS. Follow the included steps to change your iCloud Keychain security code. 1. In the Apple menu, select System Preferences. 2. Select iCloud. 3. Next to Keychain, click the Options button. 4. Click Change Security Code. 5. Enter new iCloud Keychain security code.